Series. Visit Bakersfield 60. The lights are off and we go green.
They dive into 1 out of 2. Dalton on the outside trying to take advantage of it. Holly Clark still hanging on the inside. And on the bumper is Anderson.
I was going to say, for Clark, you got to hope, you got to wonder, is this a redemption race for her after her heartbreak in the Pro Late Models?
Right in front of them, Holly Clark. Here comes Thurkettle to the inside, 3 wide into turn 1. There's smoke or something, a lot of smoke coming out of the 19 of Sloan. Dalton gets the bumper from Giannini out of turn number 2, and that allows Anderson to dive back to the inside in the 4. Side by side for the lead. Jaron Giannini doesn't look like he's points racing tonight.
No, not at all. But maybe points racing is just get out front as fast as you can. Anderson in the 4 now with his hands full. With your points leader, Giannini on the outside, looking to continue that momentum.
The door shuts. Don't look now. Your fast time qualifier has made it to 4th, and oh my goodness, is this defense or is everyone just holding on to it?
I think this is modified racing. They are holding on at these high speeds.
Well, I like modified racing.
We're not done up front. Dalton holding on to that spot.
Now the 84 machine just pulled it into the pit area, and that car appears to maybe be aflame. There's definitely an orange glow coming from the beneath portion of that 84 of Secord, but the racing up front is not giving in.
Side by side, 2 rows deep. Giannini with the lead out of turn number 2. Thurkettle makes quick work into 3rd, and now looking for the 2nd spot. So could we see that continuation between the 25 and the 5? Thurkettle's got to get by.
Oh man, Dalton sideways out of turn number 4. I think you're right, Tommy. This might be another classic showdown. It is the October Classic after all. This is the competition yellow. 40 laps of green flag racing will produce this, the competition caution. 43 laps in, 17 laps to go. Green flag in the air. Can Thurkettle take advantage into turn number 1? It looks like he's gonna. He washes up in front of Giannini, and that might be all Thurkettle needed.
Thurkettle to the lead out of turn number 4, but we got a battle for 3rd crossing the line.
William Govera has been climbing his way forward in the field. Now remember, we talked about it. Did Andrew Anderson save anything for this last run? Anderson's had a fast car. Oh, trouble, turn number 4. Involved in this one, the number 10 machine of Kevin Vossen. I'm looking to confirm that may be the 17.
That's 17 of Holly Clark. Coming out of turn number 4. Looks like the 17 of Clark got loose in front of Vossen, and these two make contact amongst a spin. So watch coming through turn number 3 and 4.
Oh yeah.
17 all by herself spins it out, collects a 10 of Vossen, and both of them go for a spin out of turn number 4. So
do anything to grab the lead back as we go back to racing.
Thurkettle with a run. Giannini to the outside. Gonna try to fight back.
Now they are instructing the 25 after they watch that start. Caution flag's gonna fly here.
Battle.
Well, nothing's scarier than getting a talking to from race control. So Jaron Giannini right now is probably shaking in his boots. We'll see how this restart goes. Travis Thurkettle again in control with 11 laps to go. I think they're going to like that one. But I don't think Giannini's going to like it.
No, not as much, but he's going to get a good run out of 2. Nope, he's going to tighten up.
Yeah, wasn't able to hold it there on exit of turn number 2. And that's going to allow Travis Thurkettle to maybe open up a couple car lengths between himself and second.
And he will go 5 wins in a row. A big feat for Travis Thurkettle and this 5T Racing team through turns number 3 and 4. Travis Thurkettle will win here at Kern in the October Classic.